guys, hulaan niyo yung kung anong hawak ko. Ako kamatis, hulaan niyo.
In a group of other people claiming that there's fire, you're more likely to believe even if you don't see the fire.
May kalaroin mo nga yan, May.
Okay na guys, hulaan niyo na.
Even if it was artificial and not really true. And that happens a lot.
Diyos ko, lumundok.
It's very hard to guard against it.
Nagsisimula sa, sa, C.
An analysis in
Comment nyo lang dyan. Comment nyo lang. Comment nyo lang.
website and
Comment nyo lang.
for disclosure, transparency, and of the board.
At saka mahaba siya.
Although I didn't have anything to do with that article, right? Okay.
Ay, natapon.
Basically, you outlined kind of 5 strategies of the
Ito naman guys, dalawa lang hulaan nyo.
fair off criticism, to counter criticism of them, to counter charges, like legal charges.
Sa pareho ko lang yung kinakain ko.
About the Duterte.
Ito naman guys,
What went
dalawa lang hulaan nyo.
conclusions na ito yung
Hindi siya pagkain.
Nagalaw to,
Ay, joke lang yun, joke lang. Ito. Ito, hulaan nyo. Pagkain to pero bawal pa rin kainin. Ito siya. Ito siya guys. Diba, okay na. Bye bye guys. Yung iba naman.